The world is quiet before the sun rises. The streets are empty. The noise hasn't started. Most people are still asleep, lost in their dreams. But in that quiet hour, something powerful is waiting. An opportunity that most never see. The chance to rise before the sun, to rise before the world, and to take control of your life while everyone else is still sleeping. Discipline begins in the morning. How you start your day shapes everything that follows. If you wake up late, rushing, reacting to the world, you spend the rest of your day behind. But if you rise early, with purpose, with intention, with energy, you step into your day as the leader, not the follower. Think about the people you admire, the ones who inspire you, the ones who seem unstoppable. Athletes, leaders, entrepreneurs, creators. What do they all have in common? They rise early. They know the morning belongs to the disciplined. The morning is where champions are made. When you rise before the sun, you give yourself a gift no one else can give you: time. Time to think, time to move, time to plan. Instead of being controlled by the world, you are controlling yourself. That is what discipline really is. It is self-control. It is proving to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses. Excuses sound the loudest in the morning. I'm too tired. I need more sleep. I'll do it later. But later never comes. Excuses will always be there, whispering, tempting, pulling you back into comfort. But winners, the ones who build legacies, do not listen to excuses. They listen to their purpose. When you wake up early and put in the work, even when you don't feel like it, you are telling yourself, I am in charge. I run this life. I set the standard. That energy carries with you all day long. Think about the feeling of working out when it's still dark outside. Think about writing, studying, or building your dream while others are still asleep. That silence, that focus, that power, it belongs to you. And when the sun finally rises, you're already ahead. While the world is just waking up, you've already built momentum. There's something deeply psychological about it too. When you rise before the sun, you're proving to yourself that you are willing to do what most people won't. And if you can do what most people won't, you will achieve what most people never will. Of course, it's not easy. The bed is warm. Sleep is comfortable. But comfort is the enemy of growth. Champions are not created in comfort. Champions are created in discipline. Waking up early is not about the time on the clock. It's about mastering yourself. If you can win the battle in the morning, you can win the battles all day long. Success doesn't come from one big action. It comes from small habits repeated over and over again. Rising early, exercising, reading, planning your day, these small actions build a foundation of strength that cannot be shaken. Think about the military. Soldiers rise before the sun. Why? Because discipline is the root of strength. Think about CEOs and entrepreneurs. They rise early because they know time is the most valuable currency. Think about athletes. They train before the sun comes up because success requires sacrifice. The question is, are you willing to make that sacrifice? Are you willing to give up a little comfort today for the life you want tomorrow? Imagine two versions of yourself. One wakes up late, tired, stressed, rushing through the day. The other wakes up early, calm, focused, ahead of the world. Which version will build the future you want? Which version will create the life you dream of? The truth is, the world doesn't reward talent alone. It rewards discipline, consistency, and resilience. You can have all the dreams in the world, but without discipline, they remain dreams. Rising before the sun is your first step to proving that you are serious, that you are committed, that you are ready to claim the life waiting for you. Yes, it will be hard. Yes, you will want to quit. But remember this. Growth never happens in comfort. Growth always happens in challenge. And when you rise early, every single day, you are building the muscle of self-control. That muscle will serve you in everything you do. One day, when you look back, you will thank yourself for the mornings you chose discipline over comfort. You will thank yourself for the times you rose before the sun and built habits that shaped your destiny. So, tomorrow morning, when the alarm rings, don't hit snooze. Don't roll over. Stand up. Step into your power. Face the quiet. Embrace the silence. And rise before the sun. Because greatness doesn't wait. And neither should you. And if this message inspired you, if it reminded you that you are stronger than your excuses, then subscribe to Unbroken Spirit, where every word is designed to wake up the fire inside you.